From darkness, light awakens the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Midnight blue carbon, low, open, alive with power. Light sweeps its wide rear and quad titanium exhaust, carbon moving like muscle, born, not built. The view glides inside, red leather, blue-red tartan, open cockpit where luxury meets speed. Warm light holds, then moves forward, beginning the handcrafted journey. From molten titanium and carbon, Carbotanium is born. Threads slowly woven by heat, pressure, and human mastery, where strength begins its silent transformation. Light glides gently over cured carbon sheets, the midnight blue weave revealing microscopic perfection shaped by time, patience, and precision. Gloved hands lift living carbon fiber, flexible yet unbreakable, responding to experience, touch, and the instinct of craftsmanship. In complete silence, a technician lays each carbon layer with intent, every movement measured, every decision final. A simple tool presses softly, air fading away as purity and strength lock into the carbon beneath. The mold fills its curves flawlessly, carbon obeying form, craftsmanship breathing in quiet focus. Resin flows slowly into the weave, sealing strength, gloss, and structural soul into one unified form. Heat rises as the mold closes, transformation unfolding beyond sight, beyond sound, beyond doubt. Machines awaken as metal meets precision, tension building in the air before the first decisive cut. Aluminum is carved in slow motion, sparks and cooling liquid dancing together in mechanical harmony. Freshly machined edges shine brightly, every contour exact, every micron shaped with intention. Hands polish titanium patiently, dull metal awakening into mirror brilliance under warm light. Heat-painted titanium glows blue and gold, performance etched permanently into color and texture. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta chassis rests low and open, midnight blue carbon fiber alive with presence, every curve carrying purpose and balance. Its wide rear stance stands proud and grounded, quad burnt titanium exhaust asserting an unmistakable identity shaped by power. A V12 engine descends slowly through the air, immense mechanical force suspended, waiting for its destined union. Mechanics guide the heart home with steady hands, carbon and metal aligning as one living machine. Bolts align and mounts lock into position, engineering harmony clicking into place with absolute certainty. The engine reveals itself fully, chrome gleaming, carbon surrounding, raw purpose fused into functional art. Titanium bolts tighten with measured precision, digital torque confirmed, perfection enforced without compromise. The quad-burnt titanium exhaust settles gently into place, heat-stained metal breathing with restrained force. Red leather is cut carefully by hand, texture rich, scent filling the room with quiet luxury. Needle and thread move rhythmically across the hide, each stitch carrying patience, tradition, and intent. Blue-red tartan lines perfectly, heritage woven carefully into motion and memory. Seats are completed and pressed gently, comfort tested by touch, craftsmanship confirmed. Inside the cockpit, carbon surfaces, red leather, and analog dials glow warmly together. The view pulls back slowly, revealing the ultra-low, open-top silhouette in full clarity. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta stands complete, midnight blue carbon shimmering with restrained emotion. Light travels across its sculpted body, wide muscular stance grounded, flawless, unyielding. The rear holds steady, quad titanium exhaust warm and alive, ready to meet the road ahead. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta rolls forward in complete silence. Midnight blue exposed carbon fiber reflecting soft white light. Every movement calm, controlled, and intentionally precise. Hands slowly trace the wide, muscular rear stance, fingers following carbon curves where aggression and elegance exist in perfect balance. Sensors are attached carefully to the chassis, tiny LEDs blinking alive as the car begins to communicate through data and precision. Robotic arms surround the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, scanning its ultra-low, open-top body in flawless synchronization, motion calm yet exact. Green laser lines sweep methodically across the carbon fiber surface, mapping every curve, every contour with absolute accuracy. Holographic data floats in the air as strength, rigidity, and balance are verified. Nothing assumed, nothing left to chance. The car enters the monsoon chamber slowly, composed and unmoved, prepared to face controlled chaos. Water crashes from every direction, droplets exploding across midnight blue carbon fiber in dramatic slow motion. Each bead rolls away effortlessly, proving intelligence beneath beauty, science beneath art. Water streams past the quad-burnt titanium exhaust, heat-stained metal shimmering, alive with restrained energy. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta emerges from the storm, steam rising gently, untouched, unbothered, uncompromised. Low and grounded, the car settles onto the dynamometer, tension building in silence. Wheels spin faster, carbon ceramic brake discs glow softly, raw mechanical force beginning to speak. Blue flames burst briefly from the quad exhaust, power revealed in a single controlled breath. Under heavy load, carbon fiber vibrates subtly, strength holding firm without protest. Inside the cockpit, red leather trembles lightly, analog gauges glowing warmly with life. The tachometer needle climbs smoothly, precision unfolding second by second. Engineers watch through glass in silence, data streams confirming perfection without words. Heat shimmers behind the car as the test reaches its peak, air itself responding. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta rolls free from restraint, lights fading behind it. Golden sunlight meets midnight blue carbon as the car exits the facility reborn. A drone follows low and close, the wide muscular rear stance commanding the open road. Acceleration flows effortlessly, open cockpit revealing red leather and blue-red tartan luxury. Wind moves across the cabin, materials alive, sound and motion perfectly balanced. The car glides along the coast, ocean light dancing endlessly across carbon fiber. Quad-burnt titanium exhaust cuts through the horizon with quiet authority. Sunlight traces every sculpted line, every curve defined in flawless clarity. Tartan fabric fills the frame briefly, heritage stitched seamlessly into speed. The road opens wide, cliffs and sky embracing freedom and motion. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta fades into the distance, midnight blue carbon glowing, its journey only just beginning. At dawn, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta glides along an empty coast, midnight blue carbon waking softly under the first light of day. The camera settles low behind, wide rear muscles flexing as quad-burnt titanium exhaust warms and the road melts away. Ocean mist drifts across the open cockpit, red leather and blue-red tartan glowing gently in the morning air. Inside, hands grip the red leather wheel, analog gauges catching the sky, every touch deeply mechanical and real. From the road itself, the car surges past, carbon weave razor sharp, motion blurring time behind it. Above, winding coastal curves unfold as the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta carves forward with effortless precision. At the rear, quad titanium exhaust shimmers with faint blue heat, power visible even in silence. Sunlight slides across sculpted lines, midnight blue carbon shifting tone with every movement. Ahead, a futuristic tunnel opens, cool blue light washing across exposed carbon fiber. Inside the tunnel, pulses of light race across red leather and tartan, speed becoming a rhythm. The car bursts back into daylight, shadow giving way to brilliance in a single breath. Rolling hills stretch wide as the ultra-low open-top silhouette cuts through green calm. Wheels spin smoothly, central lock alloys flashing as carbon ceramic brakes hint at restraint. Wind dances over the cockpit, fabrics alive, motion felt in every surface. Golden clouds ignite the sky, reflections flowing across the carbon weave like liquid light. From behind, muscular haunches frame the quad exhaust, sky vast and open beyond. Inside again, carbon dashboard and analog dials glow warmly, timeless and focused. Up close, the carbon fiber weave reveals perfection, reflections shifting with motion. The car crosses a long bridge, water shimmering below, freedom stretching outward. From the front, the stance is aggressive yet elegant, open-top profile slicing air. Dusk approaches, city lights flickering ahead as carbon reflects cooler tones. Streetlights paint gold across midnight blue bodywork on the city's edge. Brake lights glow softly, wide rear stance, grounded, confident, composed. Inside, tartan fabric catches city light, luxury sharpened by contrast. Neon reflections begin to ripple across carbon as the city awakens. Low to the street, reflections stretch across wet asphalt, motion smooth and controlled. The quad titanium exhaust frames glowing lights, power threading through the night. Neon signage slides across body panels, a cyber-futuristic pulse taking hold. Skyscrapers rise high as the ultra-low silhouette commands the urban canyon. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta fades into the glowing night, midnight blue carbon alive as the journey continues.